What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here in the new penthouse, Vegas, live by Aria, by Cosmo, killing it. So what I want to talk about tonight is something that y'all have been clamoring about, whether it's in my publishing group, Sean Dolwett's publishing group, and just about everyone trying to grow their book brand. What I'm going to talk about tonight is how to grow a Facebook group that you can leverage for book sales and back-end sales. So whether you want to diverse into doing physical products or even course sales, I'm going to give you the general blueprint of at least how to grow your group. So this is not going to go on the technical aspects of growing a group. That would be too much work for one video. Instead, what I'm going to give you are some pointers in order to help you grow your group. So number one, you have to give and deliver value. I know that sounds cliche, but what I'm talking about is whether you're in other groups related to your niche or you're just in your own group trying to have it grow on its own, you have to interact with people in the community. And by doing so, you're either giving information, helping people out, or at least giving references to other sources that answers people's questions. So what I like to do, getting straight to it, is providing a lead magnet that will help someone out with their problem related to my niche. So for those that are new to internet marketing, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a piece of content that can be used to deliver value to someone in exchange for an ulterior motive. So what I mean is, we want to give out a piece of content that can be used to give the value that we want to provide to an end user, but in exchange, we ask that they come either to our group or into an email list, but in this context, to our Facebook group. So one common setup that I like to use that has worked to great success for both myself and my own clients that I've coached is to have a lead magnet in the form of a PDF giveaway. So what works great, for example, let's say you're in the diet niche and you're doing, let's say, the carnivore diet. None of y'all know what that is because you're all, never mind. Anyway, let's say you're doing a pure meat-based diet. We're going to do a lead magnet that says, that's going to give 100 recipes that carnivore-based dieters are going to love. So 100 tasty carnivore diet recipes. Boom. So what you would do is, I know this sounds a little frizzy, but bear with me here. You want to be in other groups related to your niche, give value, answer questions, engage, and once you're ready and you have the confidence, you want to say in the group, hey guys, hey everyone, I'm so excited to be a part of the community. I just love helping everyone out and I'm really passionate about it. What I want to do for you all today is give you this lead magnet, this recipe book, this guide, this font file, this video, it can really be anything that gives value. All I ask is that join this group, and once you're in it, you can automatically download it completely free. So that will drive traffic, provided that the post in the group is approved. And I'm going to get on some techniques on how to make sure it gets approved. And you know, people love free stuff. I mean, if the only wall between myself and a guide that I want to get is joining a Facebook group, what's the hassle? Nothing's going to stop me from joining the Facebook group to get that free guide, right? So that is the basics of how to get people into your group as a free method. I have more sophisticated methods, and that's something that I use for my fiction business, such as instead of leading people to the group directly with a lead magnet, I like to deliver them to a landing page. A landing page that collects their name and email address in exchange for the lead magnet. Now, I don't think that's something that's really necessary for y'all in nonfiction, so we're going to keep it simple. So that's the basic technique of how to get members in your group. Now, a lot of you have been asking, Sean, I know you've been asking, bro. We've been doing the PMs behind the scenes. And a lot of you will face this later on is, okay, Jacob, you mentioned going on other groups and sharing lead magnet, giving value, blah, blah, blah. But in actual terms of practice, I'm having difficulties either being authorized to join groups or even having the post approved, giving the post that has the lead magnet mentioned, or not getting the post deleted. So this is my expertise, guys. What I'll tell you is that you can actually have the rules of your group that you're in bent. Meaning, if you're playing buddy-buddy with the administrators, or the administrators like what you're offering, oftentimes they are willing to bend the rules in exchange for doing you a favor. So let me explain. So if you're in a group and you're just like absolutely killing it with giving great info out, you're helping the community out, and the owner, the administrator is seeing this and acknowledging it, more likely than not, they'll let you get away with providing somewhat of a solicitation or self-promotion to your group. Now again, you're not making money necessarily on the front end by giving this free lead magnet, so it's still ethical, right? You're giving a free file in exchange for joining another group. And admins are usually okay with that if they at least know who you are and they can trust you. So, whether that means just actually putting in the effort to join the community of the niche that you're in, having actual expertise or at least resources that are legitimate that can help a user out, utilize that and just game the group. Just game the damn group. And once you have people follow you and they like you, you can get away with a lot. And that can be a very powerful tool. So I know this sounds a little bit crazy, but for y'all in publishing, this happened firsthand, where you can actually take over a group. Let's say everyone just loves the content you're giving out, you're just helping everyone else, but for some reason the admin is MIA, or they're not active, or they're just not as liked as you. And people know you have a group, they're gonna join your group, and even if the admin decides to kick you out, everyone is gonna remember, like, hey, where's Jacob? Oh, Jacob's in this group now, and he's got this going, it's got all this value, all these videos and guides that I can use for my publishing business. I gotta go to this group. It's free, so why wouldn't I? Boom, you can grow a group overnight. So, in practical terms, guys, look what I've done with the publishing evolution. What was my lead magnet? Back in 2019, what was my lead magnet? I gave a free course. And so with that, I got hundreds of members to join the group within a matter of a month, and it all hit off from there. So other than that, people like someone with authenticity, that's giving a genuine message, and someone with a personality. So, oftentimes on YouTube and social media, we have this polished, sugar-coated persona. People don't want that sugar-coated shit. They want that raw, authentic, genuine personality, that might be a little bit unpolished, a little bit unprofessional, is the point, but still gives and delivers genuine value and helps people with a high level of expertise. So that's what people are really looking for, and that's how you build a following and eventually a cult following. And again, whether you want to do this for a book brand, it's really malleable. You can drive people to buy physical products. You can drive people to your coaching program, your courses, etc. So really, the information I'm giving you in this video, sky's the limit. And that's really what I want to share in just one video. Now, if y'all still need more help, then I hate to say it, but I just might have to make another damn course. And it's not going to be a free course. I would probably have to charge $10 just for the trouble of having to make it. So let me know how I can help you guys in the comments below in this video with what you're struggling with in growing your group, and how I can possibly help you with advice on how to grow your Facebook group for your book brand, your personal brand, whatever it may be. Because I've been successful in my personal brand, my book brands, and other groups that I've built for clients. So otherwise, guys, enjoy the weekend, and I will see you later. Take care.